ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to this channel. By the title you should know what this is, and by looking at it you probably know what it is. So I bought it straight out of eBay. It was an auction, so I don't really know the quality of this roof rack, but I know that this is the legit roof racks for Volkswagen Golf MK5, which you get from the dealership. And you should get a special tool, and I'm hoping the special tool is located here somewhere. Otherwise I should be fucked. But there's only one way to find out. Oh god, he has wrapped it very well. Okay. Ah. It's okay, so there's the special tool that I was needing. That was very kind of him. Okay, so now we're gonna get these on the car, and in the rear you gotta find two dots on the door. I will show you in a minute. And in the front you will have to find another dot that you're gonna screw on. So this is the front, so we get to take that out. Let's see if we can. Okay, maybe we're gonna screw it out. I don't really. Okay, so now that's cleared, and you're gonna screw something up there, I think. We'll see. And I don't know if you can see it, but in the rear, shit. There should be like two dents right here, which you're gonna locate the roof rack on. And it's the same on the other side. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna attempt right now, and we'll see if I will succeed or not. Okay, so it's finally done. It was super easy to do the install. I got help from a neighbor. He was pretty old, but I told him what to do, so I didn't scratch my car, and everything is fit perfect, and it was super easy to install if you have a co-worker. Otherwise it will be a bit tricky, but you can do it alone. But it's much better with two persons, so you don't scratch your car and stuff. So let's see how it looks. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will come back with more installing videos as soon as I get some shit to install. Recently haven't been much because I haven't really bought stuff, but I have bought this because I found it on the auction and it was super cool, I thought. And I will try to make some basket, I think, out of the roof racket, and yeah, we'll see what I'm gonna do with the roof racket. I don't know yet what I'm gonna use it for. I just think it's kind of cool and kind of Euro. I think it's kind of Euro, so that's why I went with it, and yeah. As said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.